diagram. Example. In a severe of 290 newspaper. 290 newspaper readers. One 81 of them read the Daily Times. 142 read the Guardian. 117 read Punch. And each reads at least one of the three papers. If 75 read the Daily Times, and the Guardian. 60 read the Daily Times, and Punch. 54 read the Guardian, and Punch. Draw a Venn diagram. Draw a Venn diagram. exactly 2 of the papers. 3 exactly 1 of the papers. 4 the guardian alone. The guardian alone. So what do we do? What do we do? What do we do? You write we use this to represent universal sets. Universal set is the total number of sets, which is 290. So we have 290. Then the number that read daily times is 181. The number that read guardian is 142. The number that read punch is 117. So this is 75. Read daily times are guardian. 75. So I'm using this N to represent number. I'm using this capital N to represent number. I'm using this capital N to represent number. So when we have daily times and guardian, that means DT intersects G. So we have 75. Then for daily times and punch, the number for daily times and punch is 60. This N means intersection. Intersection means what is common today. So, and 54, read guardians and punch. So we have 54. 54. So we have to illustrate it in a Venn diagram. So you draw a rectangle box. Immediately you draw a rectangle box, you draw a circle to represent. You use circle to represent each newspaper. So we have DT. This is DT, G, and P. So DT, G, and P. So you have your universal set equals to 290. So what do? The first thing you do is you will need, yes, I told us that each read at least one of the 3 papers. So we don't know the number that read the 3. So DT intersect G intersect P equals to S. So this is our S. So this DT intersects G. The number is 75. for us to know those that calculates, for us to know the number of dt that intersects with G only, we will need to subtract s from 75. So the number of dt intersect G only means you will need to subtract 75 minus x. You will need to subtract x from 75. So this is where the intersection is. This is where the two of them are joining. So this is where we have 75 minus x. 75 minus x. We have 75 minus x. Here we have 7, 5 minus x. The same thing, you calculate the number of dt intersects p only. That's going to give us 60 minus x, because this 3 is part of each of it, so you need to subtract from them. So this is 60 minus x. Then the third one, the same thing. You will calculate the number of G intersects P only. That will give us 54 minus x. So here is dt intersects P. This is where we have 60 minus x, while here is 54 minus x. So when we are done with this, we will now calculate for dt only. We will need to calculate for what? For dt only. How will you calculate for dt only? If you have to calculate for the number of dt, because we will need to calculate for the number of dt only. So the number of dt only equals to 181 minus, you will check where there is dt. We have dt here, we have dt here. So look at where dt is. Dt, we have dt here, we have dt here, and this is dt. So you will bring it here, you subtract. So we have 60 minus x plus 75 minus x plus x. So this plus x cancel minus x. We have 181 minus 60 plus, we have 135 minus x. So this is 181 minus 135 plus x, and that is 46 plus x. So our dt only is 46 plus x. Look at the next one, which is the number of G only. Number of G only. And that's 142. We have 142 minus. So where is G? We have G here. We have G here. And we also have it as this. So that is 75 minus x plus 54 minus x plus x. So we have 142 minus 75 plus 54. That is 129. This cancel this. So we still have negative x. So minus x. So we have 142 minus 129. Minus times minus plus x. So we have 142 minus 129, and that's 13. 13 plus x. So G only is 13 plus x. We'll look for P. So what do? The number of P only. That will give us, we have 117 minus, now let's go for P. 60 minus x plus 54 minus x plus x. So plus x cancel minus x. So we have 117 minus 60 plus, we have 114 minus x. So we have 117 minus 114, minus times minus plus x. So that is 3 plus x. So this is 3 plus x. So you've represented this well in a Venn diagram. This is what is expected, and this is how your Venn diagram will look like. So the next step to do, once you are done with your Venn diagram, the next step, once you are done with your Venn diagram, the next step to do is to calculate all the three papers. All the three papers. So, how do you calculate all the three papers? You calculate all the three papers. You expected to calculate all the three papers. So, what do? You add up. You make sure you add up. You add up. You add up all this. Then you equate it. You add up and equate it to 290. So we have 46 plus x plus 13 plus x plus 75 minus x plus x plus 54 minus x plus 60 minus x plus 3 plus x. You make sure you count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. 1, 2, 13 plus x, 75 minus x plus x, 54 minus x, 60 minus x plus 3 plus x. We don't have neither. If there is neither, it will be outside the box. So you equate it equals to 290. So what do? You add up 46 plus 13 plus 75 plus 54 plus 60 plus 3. You had 6 plus 3, 9 plus 5, 14 plus 7, 14. But this is 14 plus 7, that's 21. We have 2. 2 plus 4, we have 6. 7, 14. 14 plus 5, 19. 19 plus 6, 251. So we have 251. So from here, this cancel this, this cancel this, this cancel this, plus x equals to 290. X equals to 290 minus 251. And the answer is 39. So we have all the three papers. This represents, you can see it intersects the three papers. So all the three papers equals to 39. All the three papers equals to 39. They said exactly 2 papers. Exactly 2 papers. So you check where we have 2. This is 1. This is intersection of the 2. You can see. Without me, it's join. Intersection of the 2. This and this. So what do? For the second part? You just do 75 minus x. That's 75 minus 39. And that is going to give us 36. We have 54 minus x. And that's 54 minus 39. We have 5, 1, 15. Then also 60 minus x, and that's 60 minus 39, and that's 21. 21. So you add up 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 1, 12, 1, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. So we have 72. So the question also asks us to calculate exactly 1. Exactly 1. So 1 is exactly 1. That will be, this is 1, 1, 1, dp, g, and p. So we have 46 plus x, and that's 46 plus 39. So we have 85. We have 13 plus x, which is 13 plus 39, and that's 52. We have 3 plus x, and that's 3 plus 39. That is 42. So you add up. You do what? You add up. So 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 4, we have 17. So we have 179. 179. So the last question, you have to calculate guardian only. You have to calculate guardian only, which is G only. How do you calculate G? This is G, and G is 13 plus x, and that is going to give us 13 plus 39. 13 plus 39 is 52. This is G only. This is G only. So let's take another example. I hope we are clear with that. Let's take another example. 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 We're told that a school sports team contain 68 students. 68 students. 33 do feed events. 40 do track events. 23 do swimming. 23 do swimming. 14 do feed events. Okay, 14 do feed and track events. 8 do swimming. 8 do swimming and feed events. If 15 students do feed events only, and 10 do both swimming and track events. students do a swimming only. B, track events only. C, all three events. So, what do we do? It's very easy. What we do is that we are going to find each, like we did the other time. We'll first of all represent it use a symbol. Afterward, we now use the Venn diagram to represent it. You can actually try this. It's close to the one we did earlier. Remember, take notes. 15 students do feed events only. Do feed events only. So, you need to be very careful in this type of question. So, what do? We represent that using symbol. We represent this using symbol. We represent this using symbol. So, the first symbol to use is E, or you use this as your universal set, and that is 68. That's our universal set. The number for feed events is 33. The number for track events is 40. Number for swimming is 33. For boats is for both feed and track. Feed, intercept, track is going to give us 14. Then, if 15 do feed events only, feed events only, 15. Feed events only. Then 10 for both swimming and track. For both swimming and do what? And track. That is, we have 10. So, what do? You will need to calculate for only. You will need to calculate for only. So, remember, we are not given for feed, intercept, swimming. We are not given. We were not given. So, in this, we represent it as X. And the same thing, we are not given for the 3. We are not given for the 3. Then for the 3, intercept S, intercept C. Let's represent it as Y. So, this, if you have to represent it in, an, in a Venn diagram, don't forget, we have 3 circles representing the subsets. So this is your universal set as 68. So we have FTS. So our F is 15 only. So this is 15 only. So F intercept S intercept C is is y. F intercept S intercept T is y. So for us to know the rest, if you want to know for number of S intercept T, it's going to be 10 minus y. So S intercept T, this is going to be 10 minus y. Then the same thing for number of F intercept S. That's going to be S minus y. So you come here, F S. So that's going to be S minus y. Then for the number of those for F intercept T, that's going to be 14 minus y. So we have 14 minus y. 14 minus y. 14 minus y. So if you want to 14 minus y. So let's take this F for example. This F for example, if you want to know what our y is going to be, if you want to know what our y is going to be, it's very simple. If you want to know, remember, this is F. The reason why I put it, this is F. We are not given feed and swimming. Are we given feed and swimming? We are not given feed and swimming. If you check well, we are not given feed and swimming. So that's why I decided to do x minus y. So if it's to know the number of feed only we have been given, which is 15 equals to x minus y plus 14 minus y plus y. Can you see? So this cancel this. Let's cancel this. So we have 15 minus 14 equals to x minus y. So 1 equals to x minus y. So if you want to know s, that means we have 1 plus y equals to what? S. So definitely here it's going to be 1 plus y. 1 plus y. So this definitely is going to be 1 plus y. I hope we are clear with that. It's because we are given f only. F only is 15 equals to, remember, x minus y plus 15. So we have 1 plus y. So the next thing to do is to calculate for the rest. T only and also s only. T only and x only. So we want to know the number for T. The number for T. The number for T only. And that is going to give us 40 minus T. Let's check T. This is where, remember, this is where T is. Can you see? This is where T is. So like this one. So for T, this is it. We have 14 minus y plus y plus 10 minus y. So we have 40 minus, let's cancel this. So 14 plus, so we have 24 minus 1. So this is 40 minus 24 plus 1. And that is 16 plus 1. So we have 16 plus 1. So the next one is S. So what do? We want to know the number of X only. X only is going to be what? It's going to be what? You remember the number that we are given for S swing is 23. So we have 23 minus, oh yeah, S, try and check. For S, this is S. You come here, which is, if you have to check where S is. This is 10 minus Y. Can you see? 10 minus Y, and 1 plus Y. So we have 1 plus Y plus 10 minus Y. So what do? This cancel this. So we have 23 minus 1 plus 10, 11 plus Y. 1 plus 10, that is 11 plus Y. So this is 23 minus 11 minus Y. So this is like 12 minus Y. So here is going to be 12 minus Y. Let's check again. 1 plus Y. So this cancel. So this is 11 plus Y. So we have that. So the next thing to do is to equate them. So what do? We have 15 plus, what's that? 15 plus 1 plus Y plus 4 plus Y plus 16 plus Y plus 10 minus Y plus 12 minus Y equals to 68. Let's check very well. I think this is 14 minus Y. This is 14 minus Y. 14 minus Y. So we cancel those that we can cancel. This cancel this. This cancel this. So let's be back to the question that we are asked to find. We are now asked to find the 3. So they asked us to find swimming only. We are asked to find swimming only. Swimming only. Swimming only. Swimming only. Just swim. Swimming only. That's what we are asked to find. Swimming only. That's what we are asked to find. So before we find swimming only, we go to number of F only, which is 15 equals to 14 minus Y plus Y plus 1 plus y. This cancel this. So it means our y is 0. So since we don't have the one that intersects, it means our y is 0. Our y is 0. Nothing. So for swimming only, our x equals to 12 minus y. And that's 12 minus 0, which is what? 12 only. We have 12 only. Feed events only. Number of swimming only. Number of feed events only. That is 16 plus what? Plus y, which is 16 plus 0. And that's what? 16. Then the same thing for all the three. Nothing. 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 So we can check whether we are right. We can check. You can always check. So 15 plus 16 plus 14 plus 1 plus 10 plus 12. So 5 plus 6, 11, 15, 16, 18. We have 1, 2, 4, 6. That is 68. So we don't have for the 3. The 3 only is 0. So let me give you an exercise. An exercise to try. An exercise to try. Let me give you an exercise to try. So it told us that exercise. 20 people apply for a job. 20 people apply for a job. 12 have school certificates. And 10 have diploma. If 2 have no qualifications, how many have both a school certificate and a diploma? Thank you.